Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is riffriff.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to play the theme song of the Cartoon Network's cartoon series Adventure Time featuring Finn and Jake. Okay, so this is my second version. The first version I did many years ago using a toy guitar, which is out of tune. And many of the commenters there, many people are requesting to make a second one with a real guitar and a tuned guitar. So this is it. So for this song, you need to know 3 chords. That's G, D, and C. So for G, we use the open position G. So your second finger on the 3rd fret, 6th string, first finger on the 5th string on the 2nd fret, and the 3rd and 4th finger on the 1st and 2nd string on the 3rd fret. Okay, so D, we play the first 4 string. So first finger on the 2nd fret, 3rd string, 2nd finger on the 2nd fret, 1st string, and the 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string. That's D. And then C, we play the 5 string from 5 down. Okay, so 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of the 5th string, 2nd finger on the 2nd fret of the 4th string, we play the open 3rd string, and the 1st string on the 1st fret of the 2nd string, and then open high E, high string. Okay, so that's C. Again, that's G, D, and C. So this is played G, D, C, and D. So you just do this strumming pattern. So that's the first part. You just do 4 counts of each chord. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you sing with. That's it. So hopefully this is way clearer. It's easier. So the strumming pattern is down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. So the pattern just changes on the D to G. So it's like singing Adventure Time, the lines. So okay, so that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to click subscribe and hit the bell. And see you again next week for another easy songs to play on the guitar.